Hi! In front of me is CAT S40 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this device. Firstly, access settings, then scroll all the way down and go into language and input, so misclick. Now select Google keyboard over here and tap on Text Correction. Over here, click on the switcher next to Autocorrection feature. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!